Hello, my name is Parks. I live in Georgia. And a few months ago, I got LeafFilter gutter covers. I had been cleaning out my gutters for about 17 years, going up on a ladder and getting up on the roof and cleaning them out a couple of times a year, which displeased my wife very much, especially since I've reached the age of 81. So I decided to stop doing it myself and saw a LeafFilter ad on television, got the number, gave them a call, and got a call back very quickly from a Mr. Giovanni. We made a date and he drove up to Gainesville and we talked about LeafFilter. He looked at my job. It wasn't very big, but he indicated that it was something they could handle. And so after we had discussed it, he gave me a price and we negotiated a little bit. And then a few days later, the installers came and put the LeafFilters on, and we've been very pleased with them. I haven't been up on the roof since. The thing that really got me moving was my neighbor. We were out of town and my Ring doorbell came on and I saw my neighbor up on my roof. I didn't know he was going up there, and I thought then, I said, well, I've got to do something. And LeafFilter was a good answer to my situation.